Hello, my name is Mateusz Derengowski and I represent Chiorino Poland. Today I would like to show you our timing belt with false tooth system.
False tooth is a special feature added to timing belts, allowing you to easily attach cleats, guides, or other transport accessories. This makes it simple to add extra components to belts without complicated modifications.
Our false tooth are available for the most popular belt profiles and manufactured from brass, aluminium, and stainless steel. The hole spacing for false tooth can be customized to meet your exact requirements.
We also offer custom cleats in a variety of shapes and materials produced using 3D printing technology.
The Chiorino false tooth system ensures precise attachment of components and allows for easy replacement of cleats if needed,
making it an ideal solution for the food, pharmaceutical, and industrial automation sectors. With our false tooth, every belt becomes a robust, low-maintenance transport tool.
You can contact us by email or WhatsApp. We look forward to work with you.